Alright guys, welcome back to another video, man. I appreciate y'all for stopping by, man. Y'all know what time it is, man. Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button. Y'all know what to do. Hit that like button when you join in my channel, man. And make sure you subscribe to the channel, man, if you're just now browsing or checking my channel out. If you like it, hey, subscribe to the channel, man. I really appreciate you guys. But today, boy, look at that bad sucker there, boy. I'm about to take it on a ride because it's been sitting here. And yeah, I haven't been driving this car, man. I need to drive this mother sucker, man. So we're about to get on the road here in a little bit and take it for a little spin just to get the juices flowing and everything. But yeah, man, we got the top down today. We're gonna ride for a little bit and then we're gonna come back home with it. I got some plans to wash this car up right here. I went on some dirty roads, some back roads and stuff, so it's got a little dust on it. So we got to get this all cleaned up, y'all. Get it all cleaned up. And I wanted to talk to you guys about something. So y'all just stay tuned for the video. And mainly it's about this right here. So with that being said, man, y'all stay tuned into the video, man. Watch the whole video. Don't skip nothing, guys, because you just never know what you're going to see. I appreciate y'all. Let's get on the road, man. All right, man. Shit, I don't even know what the title going to be for this video. But hey, we're just gonna go with the flow, man. So yes sir, 200 on the dash. Y'all see it, man, no cap. All right guys, so like I said, man, I wanted to talk to you guys about my S10. Wanted to get y'all opinion on it, man. I thought about putting a turbo kit on it and just seeing what I can get out of that the engine that's in there already. But y'all drop a comment down below, man. Should I go ahead and put a turbo kit on it and just see what the old engine do, or y'all think I should just go ahead and put the V8 in? I think if I engine swap it, guys, it's just gonna take a long time. The mechanic shop that I'm gonna be dealing with, they got a lot of projects right now, and I feel like if I go with the turbo kit, I can put that on myself, you know what I'm saying? So with the help of somebody that know what they doing, they can help me out so we can install it. But y'all drop a comment down below, man. Let me know what y'all think about the S10 getting turbocharged, man. Like, I'm definitely, because I definitely want to go like with a different route than everybody else. Like I said, man, I like to be different on this channel. So, y'all just drop a comment down below. But with that being said, guys, we're about to get some pulls real quick. And yeah, we're gonna do that, man. So y'all just stay tuned. Keep watching, man. What y'all think about them pulls, man? Hold on. I got another one for y'all, man. Trying to open her up a little bit, y'all. Hold on, let me go around this curve real quick, man. Oh shit. Oh shit, y'all, this car crazy, man. I gotta get some more back tires too, man, because when I did that last burnout, y'all, like, I ate up the tires pretty good. So but yeah, man, this car is crazy. I'm gonna try to chill a little bit on this street because I don't really know nobody on this street, guys, and I don't want nobody to call no cops on me. I ain't got time for that. That's a nice house right there. God damn, that's a nice house. Y'all see it, man. Y'all see the house right there? That's a nice ass house they building right there. Got some people already hanging outside. But yeah, man, today it's a beautiful day today, man. It's not that cold. I got the top down today. Besides that, man, I gotta keep moving that top up and down, because like I said, the car's been sitting. So whenever you have a convertible top, you gotta, you know what I'm saying, you gotta keep letting it down and up. That way the greases and everything can flow on the components and everything. So, but yeah, man, just taking it for a little spin today, man. Trying to get it out today. Give y'all a couple pulls, man. You know what I'm saying? I love this car, man. This car is a complete monster. I'm telling y'all, complete monster, man. Gotta watch what you're doing with this thing, because it will get away from you. Told y'all, man, this car don't play, man. Don't play no games at all, man. Definitely got to be careful with this. Yes, sir. Y'all see it? Yeah, man. That's why I can't let too many people drive this car, man, because gotta learn how to drive it, man. Y'all hear the pops? Y'all hear them pops? All right, y'all, so we back at the crib, man. I'm gonna give y'all a little walk around, man, real quick. I gotta wash this thing up too, man. I haven't washed it. I haven't did nothing with this car, to be honest with y'all. It just been sitting up. I gotta take care of it, man. I gotta wash it, do all kind of stuff. I'm thinking about taking this wrap off too, y'all. Thinking about just going back all the way black, because there's some things I want to do with this car. I want to take the tire stickers off as well. I want to paint this lip right here like a gloss black, right along with the grill. That way everything can match all together. But y'all drop a comment down below. Let me know what y'all think about that. Also thinking about maybe painting these two like a gloss black. So y'all let me know in the comments. But looks like my wife is coming home, so I gotta move this thing. But y'all stay tuned, man. And yeah, that way I can give y'all some information on the S10 real quick too as well. So let me get up in this thing and move it before my wife get upset.
The next day.
All right, y'all, so man, we're about to get some driving footage. I know we're in a different spot right now, but I'm gonna show y'all the location where I'm gonna put the turbocharger as soon as when I get back to the house. So for now, I'm gonna give y'all some driving footage real quick. You know, give y'all a little walk around just in case if you new stopping into my YouTube channel, man. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and share my videos, man. So let's get to the video. All right, guys, so we made it home with the truck, man. Now I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about, like far as where the location of the turbo gonna be at. So let's get to it. Let me pop this open and I'll get back to y'all in a minute. All right, guys, so now I'm about to show y'all the location where the turbo is gonna be at. It's gonna be sitting right here on, pretty much on right here on top. So let me turn this camera around so y'all can get a good visual. All right, y'all, so as you can see, this right here has to come off. I will not be having no more AC unless I reroute it somewhere else. But this is where the turbo will have to sit, because it's gonna go off of that manifold down there, off the header. So yeah, guys, I'm thinking about going ahead and order the turbo kit, man. I think it'll be good for content as well. And you know, this original engine is still running pretty good. I believe all I would have to do is just change out the spark plugs, the wires, give it a you know, a good oil change, which I already done. So I think if we put the turbo in here, I might have to try to figure out where I can find a good tuner for it, because we're gonna be going with the turbo. Tune these engines. It's a 2.2 liter 4-cylinder, so I think that's gonna be like kind of difficult for me to find a shop that can tune this thing. But once we get the turbo in here, I definitely gonna want to get it tuned, because I want it to run right. So and then we're gonna have to reroute the AC and all that great stuff. But y'all drop a comment down below, let me know what y'all think about the turbo kit build. I will be ordering it from eBay, so y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all drop a comment down below, let your boy know what y'all think of the turbo kit install and all that, man. Like I said, I will be ordering it. If y'all want to see that kind of content, I will be doing all kind of burnouts, all kind of stuff with this sucker, man. It's about time for me to have fun with this truck. You know, it's been sitting. So, but man, as y'all can see today, I kind of smoked the tires out a little bit, y'all, today. You know, I ain't do too much, but you know, I still got tire back there. It ain't really burn no rubber. I was pretty much in dirt. So, but I think if I put the turbo in here, this truck will be moving, man. This thing will be moving, y'all. So, but like I said, man, y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna start building on this truck, man. I'll probably start taking these off, and then I want to fix this rust hole over here. I got a rust spot over here, guys, that I do want to take care of. So I might, you know, go ahead and take care of that as well, because I do want to paint this truck. It's gonna be like a red. It's gonna be a red color. So, but y'all stay tuned, man. Bills is coming, man. Things is coming. But hey, man, this is King's Life, man. That is gonna be the end of the video for today. But I really appreciate you guys for tuning in, watching my videos, man. I appreciate all the love and support that y'all been giving your boy. Just like that, man, this is King's Life signing out with another video, man. I appreciate y'all. I love you guys. Stay safe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace. How fast you think this truck is gonna be once I put the turbo in it, man? Y'all drop a comment down below. Let me know how fast y'all think this truck, this little bitty truck, will go, man. Hey, I'm thinking maybe we can get it up to at least 400 horsepower, man. So I might want to change the clutch out as well. I might want to go with the racing type clutch. So y'all just stay tuned, man. But yeah, hey, it's the end of the video. I appreciate y'all, man. I'll see y'all in the next one.